Perfect numbers. Given a number n, check if a number is perfect number or not. So here the input is an integer and output is a boolean which should return true if the given number is a perfect number, or else it should return false. A number is said to be perfect if sum of all its factors excluding the number itself is equal to that same number. So if you see here, the given number is 6. uh, if you take the factors means the numbers which divide that number. For example, if you take 6, 6 can be divided by 1, 2 and 3 and 6 itself. But if perfect number, we need to sum all these factors without that same number, with excluding that same number. If we sum these three factors, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, which is equal to the given number. So we can say it is a perfect number. So to do this, first we need to find the factors of the given number, and then we need to sum it up. Then we need to check whether that sum is equal to the original number. Okay, now let's try to program this logic into code. Uh, to find the factors, uh, we need to start from 1 and go till the number divided by 2, because there won't be any factors that is greater than the number divided by 2. If you see here, if you take 6 by 2 is 3. 3 into 2 will be 6. So if you take 4 and 5, uh, those numbers can't have the multiple of 6. So if it is just enough if you check till the given number by 2. So we need to start from 1 and check till the given number by 2. This is one way to find these factors. And what's the second way is looping through 1 from 1 to till the square root of the given number. If you take this square root of 6, uh, the floor value will be 2, because 2, if you take 2 square is 4 and 3 square will exceed 6. 3 square will be 9, which will exceed 6. So we just need to take 2 as the square root of 6 uh, as a floor value. So if you take 2, if you go till the 2 and loop to find its factors, first take 1 and check if the number divided by divides. Yes, 1 divides 6. Also then take the quotient of the division. Like for example, if you divide the 6 by 1, it leaves a quotient 6. So we can take that 6 also as a factor that divides 6, because 6 by 6 also will be will leave remainder 0. Okay, now all, and then if you go to 2, if you divide the 6 by 2, that will leave the quotient 3. Then we need to check whether that quotient divides the given number. Yes, the quotient 3 also divides the 6. So we don't need to go till the n by 2. It is just fine if we go till the square root of the number and take the quotient of each division and check whether that quotient divides a given number, and that quotient should not be equal to the given number, right? Because we should exclude the number itself. Okay, now we need to create a sum variable to sum in each iteration. So let it be 0. Now we need to do a loop. Let's do it with a for loop. For int I, starting should be 1, because we don't need to check whether that number is divisible by 0, because any number is divided by 0 is undefined, so we don't need to check that. Then this loop should run till I less than n by 2. uh, Actually it is fine just if we run this loop till the square root of the number, right? So we can use math dot square root of n, or else we can just square this I value and check whether this is less than n. uh, for example, if you see here, we should check whether I less than a square root of n, right? If you square this square in both sides, this we need to multiply this I with I, and we need to take the square root of this n, and it will also multiply with another square root of n, because basically we are squaring it, right? So this will become square root of n. So now if we multiply square root of n into square root of n, both square roots will get cancelled and it will become as n. So this is the way how this n condition is defined. And then now in each iteration I should be increased by 1. Now we need to check whether the given number is divisible by I leaves a remainder 0. If it leaves, we need to add that I value, that is that number that divides a n, into the sum variable. And then we need to define another variable to store the other factor. Let it be OF. uh, let's just assign some random number, let it be 0, and to get the other factor we need to get the quotient of this division, n divided by I. So n by I. Now we need to check whether this quotient divides a given number, and before that we need to check this quotient, that is this other factor, is not equal to the given number, because when the given number is divided by 1, it leaves the same number as the factor. So we should exclude the same number, right? So for that we are making sure that the other factor is not equal to the given number, and we need to do another condition in where the other factor, uh, n should be n divisible by other factor should leave 0. If these two conditions become true, then we can add the other factor value to the sum variable. And finally, we can check whether this uh, sum value is equal to the given number. If it is equal, it should return true. Let's try to run this code. Yeah, it worked. Thank you.